Are you ready for a super easy Halloween Dollar Tree craft? Stay tuned! Hi, I'm Jordan and welcome to Jordan's Easy Entertaining. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fake taxidermy spider Halloween decoration using the gold framed chalkboards from Dollar Tree. They're new this year and they are fantastic. So I picked up the oval one that I'm going to be using in this video, but they also have this rectangular one and I'm going to be showing that over on my social media in a shorter form video. For this craft, you are also going to be needing some of the reindeer moss that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. I picked it up in both of the colors that are available, and you're going to need some of the fake Halloween spiders. So these ones come in a 2-pack. They also have a single pack for the larger spiders, which I'm going to be using later. And you will also need some glue and a paintbrush. You're also going to need a glue gun and some glue sticks. So I love these frames because they, as you can see on the back, they've got the stand so you can stand it up like a normal picture frame, or you can hang it on your wall and you'll be able to see both ways at the end of this video. So you need a ton of glue to go on the chalkboard of this frame. So here I just take the top off of my glue and plop down a whole lot of it, and then I'm going to use my paintbrush to just spread it around. Make sure you get every little bit of the chalkboard covered in glue. Now it's time to add the moss to the project. So I like to start with the drier moss because it's just a little bit more messy than the other one. So any part of this moss that is not touching the glue is gonna fall off. So I wanna make sure that it's spread around the glue, but not so much that there's not enough room to add the other one. So this greener moss is a little bit easier to work with and it holds together more than the dry moss does. So spread it apart and put it on any parts of the glue that is still exposed. So once you have enough moss on there, you're going to want to really press it down. I'm using a glove because I don't want to get moss and glue all over my fingers. But just press as much of that moss down into the glue as you possibly can, and then flip over your board to shake off any excess. And now we're just going to set this aside and let it dry for about an hour. Once it's all dry, it's time to add the spider. So right now I'm just trying to figure out exactly how I want my spider to be placed, and I am paying attention to where the legs are going to be touching the frame. So now we are just going to cover this spider with hot glue. Make sure you really get it onto the body of the spider because that's the main point of contact. And then just a little bit on the legs for where it's going to be touching the frame to make sure that it's nice and secure on there. Okay, then just place your spider onto the frame. Now I see that there is quite a gap between the body of the spider right here, so I'm just going to take some more hot glue and really fill in as much as I can. That way it's really nice and secure. I don't have to worry about this spider falling off. And then I'm just going to tuck in some extra reindeer moss. And that's it for this decoration. Let it dry and you are ready to decorate. I think this might be my favorite Halloween DIY I've ever made. Definitely my favorite Halloween Dollar Tree craft, and I've made a lot of them. So here you can see it in my Halloween vignette where it's up on the kickstand, but you can also see it here on my wall hung up. There's the oval one and the rectangular one, and I just absolutely love them. I think I might make some more. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out some of my other Halloween videos as well. Thank you so much for watching.